In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose United States in Proton VPN. To get started, open Proton VPN on your computer. The easiest way to do that is by clicking the Start menu, typing Proton VPN into the search bar, and then opening the app from the search results. Once the application launches, give it a moment to fully load so all of the connection options appear properly on screen. After the app opens, the next step is to sign into your account. Enter your login details in the appropriate fields, then click Sign In. Make sure everything is typed correctly before continuing, especially if the app does not log you in right away. If Proton VPN remembers your session, you may already be signed in, and in that case you can move straight to the server selection screen. Now that you're inside the app, look toward the main area of the interface for the server list. In most versions of Proton VPN, this appears on the left side panel, although sometimes you may also see a map view as part of the home screen. What you're looking for is the section that lets you browse by country. Click on countries to open the full list of available locations. From there, scroll through the list until you find United States. Once you click United States, Proton VPN will show you the available US servers connected to that location. At this point, simply click Connect next to any United States server you want to use. After you click Connect, wait a few seconds while Proton VPN establishes the connection. Once it's connected, the app should clearly show that your active VPN location is in the United States. This means your internet traffic is now being routed through that selected US server. One important thing to keep in mind is that server availability depends on your account type. If you are using a free account, you may not be able to connect to many servers, and your options for United States locations may be limited or unavailable compared to a paid plan. So if you don't see as many choices as expected, that is usually the reason. And that's it. As long as you open Proton VPN, sign in, go to the countries list, choose United States, and connect to an available server, you'll be set up correctly. If the first server doesn't work well, you can disconnect and try another available US server for a better connection.